What is Ton blockchain hot wallet code? Now, the Ton blockchain utilizes smart contracts for its wallets, and the code for these contracts is publicly available. You can find the source code for the latest version of the Ton wallet contract along with its documentation and related sources on the Ton blockchain's official GitHub repository. Now, if you've been wondering if Ton blockchain is related to hot wallet, the answer is yes. The Ton wallet contract code is linked to relevant to hot wallets, and here's why. Because hot wallets are software wallets and they're connected to the internet, allowing for quick and easy transactions, and smart contracts define wallet behavior. The code in the Ton wallet contract dictates how the wallet functions, including how transactions are initiated, signed, and verified. So I hope that this video helped to answer your question as to what is Ton blockchain's hot wallet code. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.